everybody, today we're going to try Tastykake salted caramel flavored mini donuts. Obviously here's the front. This is a winter edition. Here's obviously the front and a depiction of caramels and a depiction of what they're supposed to look like. Then here's the side with the nutrition facts, and here's the other side with another depiction. Then here's the back. Sorry, this is the front. I'm slipping already. And there's a clear plastic window there so you can see what they are supposed to look like. And then there's the bottom, obviously. Now let's open it up as soon as I find a decent spot here. Okay, there we go. Let's try to find a decent one here. Usually they are. There we go. Set this aside. Now we have, that is well, it's not exactly a perfect form, but that's the way it goes. And then here we have the sides. And then we have the top, or the other side rather, and then, the hole in the middle. Being salted caramel, I'm not exactly sure whether it's a coconut covering or what have you, but we'll find out here in a second. And I believe it is. And that's what the cross section looks like. I believe the exterior is covered with coconut. And I'm not sure if the salt, well, and caramel, obviously. And then I'm not sure how much salt has been blended in with the caramel. But overall, it's pretty good. I give it a thumbs up. Okay, not bad. Not bad, Tastykake. Set the bag down here. Once again, Tastykake salted caramel flavored mini donuts. Winter edition. And that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. And I'll see you next time. Take care.